Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. We're in Interop 2011 in New York. On our program is Asad Jobanputra. He is the Director of Technology at Esprida. Asad, hi.
Hi there, how are you doing?
Good. So how's the show going for you?
The show is excellent. We're seeing a lot of different prospects and companies at the show, and they're basically telling us that the world's getting smaller and more connected. There's a lot of new technologies for cloud computing, there's a lot of new things for communications with 3G and LG, and they're trying to find new ways to take advantage of it.
And how does your company help them with that?
So we have two big sort of categories of classifications of companies that we work with. We have IT companies. There's a lot of terminology out there. So IT companies refer to us as an endpoint management solution, and they're looking for new like mobile device management for PDA, smartphones, tablets, and new devices that are coming onto the network, as well as some more specialized equipment. So things like embedded computers, kiosks, payment terminals that are coming on the networks, and they have to know how to deal with it. And we're also dealing with manufacturers, and manufacturers kind of refer to us as a M2M or machine-to-machine solution. And what they're talking about is saying, how can they use connectivity and cheaper equipment and embedded equipment to reduce their service costs, as well as find new business models for them to provide new services and provide recurring business models.
Now, what are some of the ways that you're helping these customers beyond what we just talked about?
So a lot of these guys, once you have these new types of equipment that they're dealing with on their network, they want to find ways of managing them better, similar to some of the IT practices. So for example, many of them follow the ITIL framework. So they're asking for things about business service management or business activity monitoring. And what that really means is we have a platform, a series of tools that allow people to basically see if the machines are working for these new types of machines. So we have capabilities such as status monitoring, knowing which machines are working or not, remote repair, remote diagnostics, proactive management, so they can automatically diagnose a problem and automatically repair it or inform other companies to do it. And things like being able to update these new types of devices remotely with new software updates or new application updates, and gather data from these machines.
Now, how do you compare to a company like, let's say, LogMeIn?
So LogMeIn provides IT management tools to remotely connect to a machine. They provide remote connectivity and remote diagnostic tools. The first way that we're different is we provide embedded devices. So we work on any environment. We work on all the major operating systems, as well as specialized industrial equipment and embedded platforms. That's the first way. The second way in which we're different is we work on, hang on a second. All right, can you do that question again?
Should we do the question again? Yep, he's making a note. Yeah, put it in your lap. Just hold it like this, you're fine. So how do you compare to a
LogMeIn.
Ready? So how do you compare to a solution like, let's say, LogMeIn?
Right. So LogMeIn are other very good solutions on the market and they're typically oriented towards an IT management tool to remotely connect to servers and things like that. The first way that we're different is we work on any environment. So we work on all the major operating systems, and we work on a number of embedded platforms and specialized equipment. The second way that we're different is we don't view ourselves as a IT tool. We provide remote management to make sure that each device is providing business value and it's working. So what it means is LogMeIn has a huge customer base, and they provide a general capability for all of them. We provide specialized capabilities. So for example, for us, for a machine to work, we're monitoring peripherals connected to the machine, specialized temperature sensors or industrial control systems that are connected to our system. We're monitoring detailed application logs and things like that. So at the end, what it means is that if the machine stops providing business value in whatever way that makes sense for that equipment, we're able to diagnose that problem and then automatically notify a dispatching system, or provide an upselling capability, or provide new services for that endpoint device,
Right.
as opposed to just an IT remote connectivity tool.
Got it. So what's next for the company?
For us, the biggest growth area that we see is in the M2M space. There's a lot of people powered through the wireless sort of revolution, where people are putting 3G cards or 4G cards into equipment, and enabling new revenue streams and new business models that make them more efficient and make them more profitable.
Sure. Great. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you very much.
Hey, Jamie, can you make a note to get Asad in touch with our M2M?